Whether you are personally purchasing or refinancing a property or representing a client in a real estate transaction, you may want estimated title charges at the beginning of the process. Judicial Title has an online rate calculator, so in just a few seconds, you can prepare and email the estimate. Today, I will demonstrate how quick and easy it is to use. Go to judicialtitle.com, click on Resources and Rate Calculator. For this example, I'm going to use a traditional purchase with a mortgage. First, let's choose county. I'm going to choose Westchester. Then select municipality. I'm going to choose Yonkers. Next, you're going to select an insurance type. For this type of transaction, there are two main insurance types to choose from. First is simultaneous mortgage and extended protection, and the next is simultaneous mortgage and fee insurance. The difference is that the first one includes a tow policy. We always recommend getting the extended protection, but if you are unsure, you can scroll down, and we have resources to help you make your decision. So now let's go back to insurance type and click simultaneous mortgage and extended protection. We're going to put in the fee amount or the purchase price at $500,000 and the mortgage amount at $400,000. Next, you're going to use property type. We are going to select 1 to 2 family, and now we're going to calculate. As you will see, an estimate generates, including city-specific items, such as transfer taxes. As you can see in Yonkers, there's a 1.5% transfer tax paid by the grantor, and that's all calculated there. And also line items for the good faith estimate will come up. If you want to email, put in an email address and click Send Email. And you will see the estimate has been sent to the email that you selected. If you have any questions about our rate calculator, please contact us at info@judicialtitle.com.